At Intex, we're dedicated to making innovative products that deliver great value, quality, and family fun. As the global category leader of the above-ground pool, we make pools and spas for all ages and all kinds of play. We also make a complete line of pool toys and floats, from beach balls to photorealistic lounges. When the fun is done, our inflatable technology also makes for a dreamy night's sleep. Our plush indoor guest beds and outdoor camping airbeds set the standard for comfort and durability. We retail to over 120 countries with a wide network of sales offices around the world committed to our customers' satisfaction. At our own state-of-the-art facilities in Southeast China, we're meticulous about every aspect of manufacturing, from design to engineering to quality testing to shipping. Each pool, spa, airbed, and pool toy undergoes rigorous testing for quality and durability under the most stringent safety standards. Then we keep testing, even after our products are made. But we don't stop there. Our award-winning energy conservation and recycling initiatives are a result of our commitment to building a better future for our customers. With factories, warehouses, sales offices, and service centers serving millions of customers worldwide, at Intex, we make products that make people's lives more fun, more relaxing, and more memorable for friends and family for years to come.